Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website in the description. We're also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of the multiple listing service, also known as the MLS. Join us as we discover how the MLS has evolved over time, why it plays a crucial role in the real estate market, and if you're a seller, why you have to be on it. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered how real estate agents find properties for clients or how they market their listings to potential buyers? Well, that's where the multiple listing service, or the MLS, comes into play. The MLS is a comprehensive database that gathers and centralizes real estate information from various brokers and agents. It provides a platform where real estate professionals can share, collaborate, and search for properties available for sale or rent. In other words, it's like a giant network that connects buyers, sellers, and realtors together in one centralized hub. Now, let's take a step back and look at how the MLS has developed over time. Before the MLS, the real estate industry was a vastly different landscape. Agents relied on newspaper listings and word of mouth to find potential buyers for properties. Then, the concept of an MLS originated in the late 1800s, when real estate agents started pooling their listing information to facilitate property sales. Over the years, the MLS grew exponentially, evolving from simple printed books to sophisticated online platforms that were accessible to agents, brokers, and in some cases, the public. I remember hearing stories of the olden days when agents had to go into their broker's office each week to get listing cards, literally a printout of each individual listing that became available that week for the specific areas each of their buyer clients were looking at. As technology advanced, MLS systems evolved from paper-based to computer-based platforms. With the advent of the internet, the MLS services went online, revolutionizing the way real estate professionals operate. In 1993, MRIS, the Metropolitan Regional Information System, was created in Maryland to allow agents, brokers, buyers, and sellers access to all of the properties for sale online in the Mid-Atlantic region. MLS platforms became the go-to resource for real estate professionals to gather information about available properties, including their features, location, and pricing. So why is the MLS so important in the real estate industry? Let's explore a few key reasons. Number one, accessibility. The MLS provides equal access to property information for all licensed real estate professionals, regardless of their brokerage. This ensures a level playing field and promotes fair competition in the market. Number two, comprehensive data. MLS allows agents to access a comprehensive database of properties, including vital information such as square footage, number of bedrooms, and location. This wealth of data helps agents provide accurate and informed recommendations to their clients. Number three, market transparency. By consolidating property information in one place, the MLS enhanced market transparency. Buyers and sellers can confidently make informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. Number four, efficient collaboration. MLS facilitates collaboration between agents, enabling them to share listings and coordinate showings. This collaborative approach streamlines the real estate process, saving time for agents and clients alike. Number five, wider exposure. When a property is listed on the MLS, it receives exposure to a vast network of real estate professionals and potential buyers. This increases the likelihood of finding the right buyer or seller, resulting in faster and more efficient transactions. As we look to the future, technology continues to enhance the MLS experience, incorporating artificial intelligence, virtual reality tours, and advanced analytics. These innovations will undoubtedly make the process even smoother, enabling the real estate industry to adapt to changing times and stay ahead in an ever-evolving market. Speaking of adapting and changing to meet current and future needs, when selling your home, you used to only have two options. Option one, selling through a traditional agent, paying 5 to 6% in commissions to list your home on the MLS. Or option number two, selling your home yourself, better known as a FSBO, or for sale by owner, and getting no MLS exposure. However, we saw a huge gap in these two options, and Mr. Lister has developed a third option to fill the needs of every lister. Just as MRIS came on the scene and dramatically improved the visibility of available properties, Mr. Lister has evolved and created an option to provide the easiest and most user-friendly way to sell your home. With us, you get the savings you were looking for by listing FSBO with not only the MLS exposure that is crucial to getting your house sold, but also listing packages and optional add-on services to ensure you are getting the support you need by only paying for the things you can't do yourself. And that brings us to the end of today's video on the development and importance of the MLS in the real estate industry. We've seen how the MLS has evolved from its humble beginnings to become an essential tool for real estate professionals. As you can see, the MLS plays a crucial role in creating a transparent, efficient, and interconnected real estate market. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or agent, the MLS is a true game changer. Thanks for watching and learning more about the MLS. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website in the description. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. See you next time.